Namaskar, Khushro Bittiyan. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Session name Introduction to Fiber. Subject name Introduction to Textile. What is fiber? Fiber is the smallest unit which is used to design the yarn for the fabric formation. In broad sense, the word fiber is used for various type of matter, natural or man-made, forming basic element of textile, fabrics and other textile structure. It is defined as one of the delicate hair-like portion of the tissue of a plant or animal. Fiber is defined by the Fabric Textile Dictionary as the basis entity, either natural or manufactured, which is twisted into yarn and used in the production of fabric. Fiber is a basic unit and the smallest unit of textile which are multiply used for the yarn construction. Fiber nature and their properties are very important for the clothing. Fibers are constructed in yarn form and yarn are used for the fabric formation. So fiber is the smallest unit. What is textile fiber? Technologists have defined the term textile fibers as those fibers which can be spun into yarn or made into a fabric by interlacing or interlooping in the variety of machines including weaving, knitting, braiding, flatting and bonding. Mainly fiber is used to design the yarn. Yarn is used to design the fabric. Fabric are constructed in different form. Maybe they are woven in webbed yarn and weaved. Maybe they are designed with the loop and constructed in the yarn, constructed in the knitted formation. Maybe they are braided. Maybe they are non-woven. They are using as a fiber, and the chemical and mechanical process design the non-woven fabric simultaneously. Flatting and bonding is also carpet making process, the flatting, and bonding is chemically design the non-woven fabric. After discussion of definition of textile fibers, now we will discuss fibers. Fibers are belong from natural and man-made. Fibers may be belong from natural background or the man-made background. Natural fibers are belong and obtained from the plant. Those are cotton, kapok, flax, rami, jute, kenaf and many more. Animal fiber, wool, silk and hair fiber. Regenerated fiber, generally rayon is known as regenerated fiber. All the vegetable fibers are belong from vegetables. Maybe they are belong from seed. Maybe they are belong from leafy fibers. Maybe they are stems. All the vegetable fibers belong from part of vegetables or the plants parts. Cotton belong from seed fiber. Pineapple fibers belong from pineapple leaves, and the linen is belong from stem of linen fiber. So vegetable fibers are categorized in seed fiber, leaf fiber, stem fiber and root fiber. Animal fiber are the skin of animals. Wool is skin of sheep fiber, and other hair fibers are called specialty hair fibers. And the silk is silkworm dry saliva, which is designed as silk in sericulture process, ahimsa silk or wild silk. Regenerated fiber. Regenerated, after that, plant and animal minerals are also natural fiber. Iron, gold, silver, metal, asbestos are the mineral fibers. These are also belong from the natural fiber. Regenerated fiber. Rayon is designed with the natural cellulosic waste material, cotton linters, natural cellulose, wood, soft wood. Example, Lanepur wood. All kind of rayons are designed with the cellulosic material plus light chemical products. Example, sulfuric acid. Example, acetic acid. Example, nitric acid used with the cellulosic product with the use of spinneret design the rayon fiber in liquid formation, similar like synthetic. Synthetic are completely carbon, hydrogen, oxygen molecules in monomers form, and the chain of polymer design the fabric. All the synthetic material are designed in polymerization process. Through the polymerization process, and those fibers are nylon, polyester, acrylic, polypropylene, spandex, glass, and many more. This is a small classification of textile fibers. Many more authors are provide many more classification for the fiber. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.